Hello everyone, I am Mansi, your favorite stock market guide. Today, I'm super excited because we are talking about a secret that turns the stock market into a game changer. Imagine you're a hunter waiting in the jungle for the perfect moment to catch the lion. Not just any lion, but the perfect one. This is Jesse Livermore's 5-star setup. I've used it myself, and believe me, it's life-changing. First, a bit of my story. When I was new to the market, I traded on every fluctuation, loss after loss. But then I read Livermore's book, Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. That book taught me patience is key. Now I'm a very good shikari because I wait for perfect clarity. You can become one too. Let's go step by step. Ready? Let's go with energy. Star number 1. The general market must be in a clear, confirmed trend. Friends, first look at the market, not individual stocks, the whole market. Livermore said, a stock is like a ship in the ocean. If the ocean is stormy, the ship will sink. Be bullish in a bull market, bearish in a bear market. Simple, right? But most traders ignore it. They get impulsive. I ignored it once in the crash. Loss happened. Heart broke. But now I check. Indices like NSE, BSE. If uptrend, great. In downtrend, short sell. Example, after 2020 COVID crash, market recovered. Those who waited became millionaires. You do it too. Feel the excitement. This first star keeps you safe. Now, my story. I once jumped into tech stocks, but market was in a downtrend. Result? Loss. But lesson learned. As a psychology expert, I'll say our mind is greedy. It wants action. But patience wins. Emotionally connected, right? Because I care about you. Star number 2. The industry group must be a leader. Okay, market is up. Now don't look at the whole market. Focus on leading groups. A bull market doesn't lift all stocks equally. Some sectors like IT, pharma, auto, they lead. Livermore said, concentrate on few leaders, not diversification, concentration. If you watch 100 stocks, you will get confused. I've read How to Make Money in Stocks by William O'Neill. He says the same. Example, in 2023, IT sector was leading. Infosys, TCS, they first made new highs. I focused, profit happened. A story, my friend Rakesh, he traded in all sectors. Result, average returns. But when I taught him this, he got excited. Now he focuses on leader groups. Feel the emotion? This star gives you power. Now elaborate a bit. In psychology, we are driven by FOMO, fear of missing out. But choose leader groups, confidence increases. I'll add my point. In Indian market, PSU sector sometimes leads, like in 2024, railway stocks. Check Nifty sector indices. Simple.
Star number 3. The stock must be the leader within its group. Great! Group chosen. Now choose the leader stock in the group. Not all stocks equal. Some are generals, some soldiers. Leader moves first, on high volume. Avoid laggards, they're weak. Livermore did in U.S. Steel. Utah Copper was sluggish, so left it. My story? I once chose Tata Motors because Auto Group was leading, but it was a laggard. Loss. But now I check. The stock that first makes new high, that's leader. Example, Reliance in Energy Group. It always leads. Another story? Warren Buffett's. He invests in Apple because it's tech group's leader. Inspiring, right? You become a leader spotter too. Psychology tip? We hunt bargains, but that's a trap. Buy strength. Feel the energy? This star makes you a superstar. Star number 4? The stock must be at a pivotal point. Now, timing. Right stock, but wrong time, disaster. Wait for pivotal point, like new high after consolidation. Livermore waited for Bethlehem Steel at 100 breakout. 6 weeks wait. Impatience kills. My personal story? In 2019, I waited on HDFC Bank. It was consolidating at 1200. Entered on breakout, double profit. If entered early, whipsawed. Psychology? Our mind wants to be active, but waiting is art. Edit point, use charts like candlestick, simple indicators like moving average, perfect for novices. A story where I wasn't part, before 1929 crash, Livermore shorted seeing pivotal points, earned millions. Emotions, patience brings power. I love you all, so sharing. Star number 5. The breakout must be confirmed by a surge in volume. Final star. Price breakout, but without volume surge? Fake. Volume is power. High volume means big players in. Livermore said, volume is the signature. Example, in Adani Ports, breakout with triple volume. Rocket. My story? I saw in Reliance low volume breakout, avoided, saved money. Psychology? Volume confirmation gives confidence. Added tip? Check volume on BSE or NSE. Novices? Start with free tools like TradingView. Now, synthesis. 5 stars. Market trend, leading group, leader group, pivotal point, and volume surge. This isn't just pattern, it's discipline. 90% fail because impatient, but you will win. Practically applicable ideas. 1. Daily check market trend from Nifty. 2. See sector rankings. 3. Scan leader stocks. 4. Practice patience, maintain journal. 5. Use volume indicators. Thought-provoking, are you ready to wait? Market is psychological game. Now, a bit more elaborate. I've read The Psychology of Trading by Brett Steenberger. He says, control emotions. I'll challenge original. Livermore's why is classic, but in modern, add AI tools, like sentiment analysis. It makes it better. A story? In 2022, Tesla was the leader, but volume drop on fail. Those who waited, saved. Friends, I'm super excited sharing this. Your growth is my passion. Please, if you liked it, like, share with friends, and subscribe the channel. I love you all. See you in next episode. Bye.